so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hello! Hey! It's me, Blippi! And look at where we're at. Yeah! We're at Sanca, which is in Seattle, Washington. And Sanca stands for School of Acrobatics and New Circus Arts. Yeah! Have you ever been to a circus before? I love circuses! They are awesome! And today, you and I are gonna learn about some circus art. Wow, look at this place. It is so cool. And the floor that we're on is pretty bouncy. Whoa! Okay, the first thing I need to do is take off my shoes. All right, there we go. Let me put them right over here. And now, before we do anything with circus, we need to stretch. All right. Ugh. Whoa. Yeah, it's really important to stretch so then our muscles are nice and loose. So then we don't injure ourselves. Oh, yeah. There we go. All right. Woo! Oh, I stretched out my back, my legs, my arms. Oh. Now that I'm all stretched, I think we should learn the rules of the circus. Whoa! Check them out. The rules of circus. Yeah. Number 1, have fun. That's pretty easy. We love to have fun. Number 2, be safe. Yeah, safety is really important. We definitely don't want to get hurt, do we? No. Number 3, work hard. Yeah, I love working hard because it's so fun to start at one point and get to another. And the only way you can improve is working hard. And number 4, be kind to each other. I love being kind. It's so cool that you are kind to your friends and family. Good job. All right, now it's time for some circus stuff. Woohoo! This is awesome! Hey, check out what I'm on. Woohoo! Yeah! Do you know what this is? Whoa! Yeah, this is a trampoline. Check it out. The bouncy part. Yeah, what color is this? Yeah, this is the color black. Oh, and look at this. A safety pad, just in case if you go off the center and then you don't get hurt. What color is the safety pad? Yeah, it's the color red. All right, let me jump. Woohoo! Can you think of an animal that can jump real high? Whoa! Yeah, how about one that carries its babies in a pouch? Yeah, kangaroo. Boing, boing, boing. Woohoo! What about one that loves to be in the swampy areas and it makes it sound like ribbit, ribbit. Woohoo! Yeah, frog! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Jumping is so much fun! Whoa! Did you see that? That was awesome!
Hey, Blippi!
Hey!
How are you doing?
Yeah, good!
That was awesome!
Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Max.
Oh, nice to meet you, Max. Do you know how to jump on the trampoline?
I sure do.
Will you show us?
Yeah. Stay right here, kneel right here, and wait for me.
Okay.
Ready?
Whoa! Did you see that? That was awesome! Hello! Hey! These are called aerial silks. Whoa! They're so cool! Yeah, and I am in a green silk, and Max is on a purple silk. looks like I'm in a cocoon. Whoa! Yeah. Can you think of an insect that hangs out in a cocoon? Oh, yeah, they start as a normal insect, then they go in a cocoon, they go through metamorphosis, and then they turn into a butterfly! Yeah, I'm a caterpillar! Whoa, look at Max! He's the butterfly! Whoa! Whoa, check it out! This is a tight wire. Yeah, this is where you can practice your balance. Yeah! And balance is really important because, yeah, you might need it for things. If you don't have any balance, you'll just fall over. Whoa! You see what I'm using on my hands? Yeah, these are sticks. Just in case, if I need a little help. Whoa! Whoa! That was silly. I just fell. Let me try it again. Whoa! That's tricky. Wow, look at how good she is. Wow, she is so good. Hey, maybe now we can keep balancing on the balls. Wow, look at all these balls. Yeah, this is another great way to learn how to balance. Whoa, check it out. Look at this ball. Whoa, whee. Yeah, I'm balancing on my stomach. Whoa. That's hard. But hey, let's count all these balls. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Do you see how this ball's in a circle? Yeah, this actually will stabilize the ball. So then when I try and stand on it, then it won't move around so much. All right, okay, let's try this. Whoa, I am so excited. Whoa, 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 it's harder than it looks. Whoa, whoa. If this stabilizer ring wasn't here, I probably wouldn't be able to do it. Whoa! Okay, let's see someone good do it. This has been so much fun learning about all these things circus related. Whoa, check it out. Wow, looks like we have some really cool things, like rings. Whoa, yeah, they're so colorful. Hello, hey. Ooh, looks like we have some really light scarves. Wow. And looks like we have this wood stick. Whoa, what is that for? And a plate? Yeah, a green plate. I know what to do with this. Wow. Maybe I could juggle. Wait, he's not juggling. He's balancing. Let's try it out. Whoa, do you see how I just spun it really fast? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna put it on my fingertip. Whoa, check it out. Whoa, 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 that's awesome. All right, get ready for this. I'm gonna put it on my forehead and see if I can balance it. Ready? Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was so silly. Okay, let's see what else we have over here. Yeah, remember the scarves? What color are these scarves? Yeah, This one is the color pink. This one is the color orange. And this one is the color yellow. And you know what I like to do when I have 3 items? Yeah, juggle. Whoa. Whee, this is so cool. Yeah, I love juggling. Hey, speaking of juggling, maybe I could take these rings and juggle the rings. First, what color are these rings? Yeah, a green circle, an orange circle, a red circle, a yellow circle, and a blue circle. All right. Whoa. Whoa. Woohoo! That's awesome. All right, let's take 3 of them. This is gonna be a little bit trickier. Here we go. Woo! How'd I do? Whoa. Hey! Yeah! A giant circle! Whoa! Do you know what this is? Yeah! This is a hula hoop. Whoa! Whoa, check it out! Whoa! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh, and watch this trick. When you spin it backwards, then it'll come back to you. Ready? Wow! Ready? Whoa! Did you see that? Max is riding a unicycle. Whoa, that is so cool. Yeah, it kind of looks like a bicycle. Yeah, but bi means 2. Yeah, 2 wheels and tires. But unicycle, una means 1. Check it out. Whoa, all of these unicycles have 1 wheel and tire. Whoa! That one, and this one. Look at this. This frame is the color yellow. Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Look at how small this is. Whoa! Whoa! They are so hard to ride. Wow! This one is so tall. Whoa! How do you even get up on this? I don't even know. Whoa. Okay, maybe I should find one that fits me. How about this one? This one looks perfect. All right, let me try and ride this unicycle. Okay, do you see how I have these bars next to me? And so then I can hold on. And when I'm learning, I can learn this way, and it'll help me balance. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I definitely couldn't do this without holding on to these bars. Yeah, unicycles are actually harder to ride than bicycles in my opinion. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's probably because on a bicycle, you don't have to balance forward and backward. You just have to balance side to side. But in unicycle, whoa, whoa, you have to balance forward and backward. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna try it with no hands. Wow, whoa, Whoa! I almost fell. Let me try it again. Here I go. Whoa! 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 That was awesome! Hey, come on in here. Wow! Look at this place. This is the fly room. Whoa! Check it out. See all this? This is their trapeze setup. It is so cool. Trapeze is awesome. It's when people climb really high up in the air and then they swing while holding onto a bar. Sometimes they just fall down to the net and sometimes they grab onto other people. Hey, speaking of the net, check it out. Whoa! That looks like a really soft landing. Hey, come on. Wow! Hey, who are you?
Hi, I'm Caitlin.
Oh, nice to meet you, Caitlin. Hey, Caitlin does the trapeze here, and she is really good. Will you show us some trapeze?
Definitely.
Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! This has been so much fun learning about circus training with you. Did you have fun? Yeah! I did too! Whoa! Whoa! Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. Whoa! Wow, this has been so much fun. Woohoo! Yeah!
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.